Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing a Shop With Me Target vlog haul. It is start planning out my day and what I need to do, get it off my brain, write it down, and get to my errands. And so in this Target video, I seen this TikTok of these candles and I was like, I gotta go and find those candles because Kim Kardashian is coming out with this crazy expensive line with almost the same aesthetic. So I did smell everything for you guys. And so my favorite is Salt in the Candle and Pampas in the Room Spray. I may go back and give Pampas another smell in the candle version, but it just wasn't giving at the time. But I do have a lot of Pampas around my house, so it would make sense. But the Pampas room spray is so bomb. So when I say run, don't walk, these are only $5.99 each. That's including the room spray too. So $5.99 for the room sprays, $5.99 for the candles. Yes, salt is my favorite. And when I tell you my house smells so good, it smells amazing. So I did want to share that with you. And I'm going to just show you what I got. So stay tuned for the end and how I styled it. Okay, so Target run and done. So what I just got from Target, I already took it off the bag and took the tags off of it. Picked up another basket. Don't ask me why, but I love these baskets. I actually have this one, but I'm gonna take this one back because this one isn't doing anything for me. Like the ends are rough and it's like so short, so I'm gonna take that one back. I got this one, it's way much bigger. I love how everything is smoothed around here. So yeah, like that. And then I got that from Marshall's, the basket. And then these pillows were on sale at Target. They were originally like $25. I got them for $10 each. Plus they are having a 20% off home decor, bedding, and bath. These, as you can see, but these are going in my room, not on my couch, because I don't want this type of stuff in here. And I also picked up from Target, again, I got the two pumpkins. I only got two of them because they only have a few more of the bigger ones left. And they're like distorted colors. And I like the light, natural wooding braid pattern. And so, yeah, super cute, goes super great with that basket. You know, just for the holiday season, that basket is a year-round basket, so that will be amazing. So got those two pumpkins. And from Marshall's, I'm all over the place because it's just different things. It was a set of two, but the lady said the other one probably have broke, so she gave me a markdown. And so this is perfect to pour a little rosé, and I think that's gonna be cute for this video or reel I'm going to do. So yeah, got that glass, really, really pretty. Only one of those at Target. Definitely got my Dove. Also had to get some other things to warm up the house for the fall season, and so I grabbed some darker browns and these kitchen towels. And I love this bowl because it's just not like your regular shape if you really look at it. So I grabbed that, but I only, promise you, went to the store to get soap, and I end up getting whatever you see. And also that TikTok video did not help, and I ran and I wanted to try these candles. And salt is my favorite right now, and Pampas room spray smells so good. So guys, go get it. Don't buy it all. And it smells amazing. You'll have your house smelling so fresh, so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and style these items, so stay tuned for that. I did DIY this vase that I'm going to use for these trees and plants. So if you want to see that, let me know. Just give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll show you how I DIY that. And it's also on my TikTok. And all my handles are the same at Queen Gwen on everything.